In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Before we press any buttons, it's vital to understand the difference between your chat history and ChatGPT's long-term memory. Your chat history is the list of conversations in the left sidebar. Clearing it removes those visible threads so your workspace looks fresh, but it does not erase what the AI has learned about you over time. Long-term memory, sometimes called ChatGPT memory, is a background ledger of specific facts you've taught it across sessions, like your role or tool preferences. If you want a true reset, you'll handle memory first, then the sidebar history. Let's clear long-term memory on desktop or the web. Click your profile picture or initials in the bottom left corner and open Settings. In the Settings window, choose Personalization on the left. Find the row labeled Manage Memories and click Manage. Here you'll see individual items the AI has stored. To prune a few details, click the trash can next to anything that's outdated. If you want a full wipe, scroll to the bottom of the list and select Clear ChatGPT's memory, then Confirm. This blanks the long-term profile so new chats won't draw on those saved facts. With memory cleared, tidy the sidebar so every conversation list is gone. Staying in Settings, switch to Data Controls. Locate Delete All Chats, sometimes shown as Clear All Chats. Click Delete All and complete the confirmation. Your sidebar will instantly go blank, giving you a clean slate for future work. If you're about to start a specialized project and don't want new memories recorded, you can temporarily turn off those features. Return to Settings, open Personalization, and toggle off Reference Saved Memories. This stops the AI from caching new facts about you. Then toggle off Reference Chat History. With both off, each thread behaves like a standalone session without pulling from broader patterns. Need a one-off clean session without changing account settings? Use temporary chat. In the top header, near your profile area, click Turn on Temporary Chat. You'll see the input box frame turn dark, confirming you're in an isolated sandbox. In temporary chat, your existing memories aren't used, no sidebar log is created, and the entire conversation disappears when you close or refresh the tab. And that's it. Knowing when to clear long-term memory, when to delete sidebar history, and when to rely on temporary chat gives you precise control over privacy and context. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.